gonna sing?
जाएगा ना? हाँ?
Oh.
जाएगा?
And of course, guys, of course, let's say hi to Ate
king
Naomi
is
and Baba.
Ate Naomi!
Yeah!
And of course, grupo nila Manang.
एक बजे का बात
And
है।
of course, Daddy Muhammad, thank you so much for your compliment.
एक बजे का बात है क्या है?
And of course, to friends of Carlo.
Kyle.
Kyle and friends. Thank
And
you
of course,
so
ating mga kababayan na nandyan. Hi po, welcome once again. And thank you so much for staying until this time. Yes.
Akala nung nasa harap siya yung nagbabay. Kabayan. And of course, you got also
Mr. Gur, together with Mr. Abawi, Laika, Kathleen, and the rest of the guys there. Hello, guys.
And of course, we got also tonight our very own one of the famous TikToker, not just in Arab countries, but also in the Philippines.
Wow!
We got also Mr. Jonah.
Yes, welcome.
And friends.
Together with Kuya Amen.
Amen and TikToker also the Amen.
And of course, Mr. Hassan also on the side.
So awesome. Hello.
Yes. And of course, Mr.
Let's
Pete.
sit one speed.
From EXO Band.
You want this?
And Madam Emily also with
Rhea.
Rhea.
Oh. And together with DJ RJ. Thank you, girl.
Okay na naman. Yes, girl. Ay, meron tayong papakatahin ngayon. Siya ay nanalo sa Going Bulilit
Season, ano?
Seasoning.
Ating sarap seasoning. Ay, anyways guys, once again, welcome to our fans. And I think we're gonna move on before we have our challenger. We're gonna call out Mr. Carl.
Hello. Look.